हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम लोग लिखने वाले हैं 10 लाइन इसे ऑन रेनी सीजन। सो नंबर 1 इज रेनी सीजन इज द ग्रेट गिफ्ट ऑफ द गॉड। Number 2, rainy season at the end of the summer season. Number 3, it begins in June and goes on till September. Number 4, it is also called monsoon season. Number 5, in this season the farmer work hard their fields. Number 6, this season is a great friend of the farmers. Number 7, rain is very important for the crops. Number 8, the rainy season is the favorite of kids, adults, animals and plants. Number 9, rainy season cleans our environments from pollution. Number 10, the rainy season brings a lot of changes in nature. So if you learn this video, please like, share and subscribe.